Hello everyone, welcome to Explore CSE Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about Python installation. So in many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Python or run the following on the command line. In command prompt, just type Python version, then you will see the version of the Python if it already have in the Windows or Mac. If it is not, then simply go to the python.org websites and download the latest version of Python. I am using Google Colab. Google Colab is a free cloud-based platform provided by Google that allows users to write and execute Python code in a Jupyter Notebook environment. So I am going to the Google Chrome, typing Google Colab, go to the Google Colab. Here you can see the plus icon in new notebook. I'm just click on it. Give it the file name and just print a code like hello world. Run the cell by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. See, it's printed hello world.